Yo, what's good? So we're back here early today. We're good. This is like part 2 of the install to the Kraftwerks kit. Jobert's here. Got here bright and early today, and today we're hoping to get it running. I don't know if it will. I mean, by the title of the video, it might already tell you if it is or not. But yeah, so let me show you guys where we left off. All right, so again, we have the intercooler in. We have the blower in, the bracket in, the pulleys in, the belts in. We have the oil cooler and filter and reservoir hooked up for the blower, because this is a self-oiled blower. And we just basically ran some zip ties. We got them as best as we could. We routed them through here. They're all in there. And yeah, they just pretty much go to the oil cooler over here. And we also got the coil rad installed also. So we did end up getting an Evo 8 cap, but this is only a temporary fix. As you know, these are rated differently based on the pressure or you know, of the car. So we're gonna have to, this is only temporary so that it won't spill. So hopefully doesn't really do anything. He already ordered the new one that he needed. We'll probably give you the part number. Do you know what it is that you had to get?
For what?
The cap for the radiator?
I don't remember the part number exactly, but you can get it off at Basic Motorsports.
Basic Motorsports? Alright, there you have it. So, right now, as you can see, we're getting the pipes all, gonna get those installed. Then we're gonna do the fuel injectors, and then the part we've been saving for last is the fuel pump. That's not gonna be fun. Hopefully we don't have to take off the soft top. After that, all we have to install is the ECU, right?
Yeah, and injectors and all that stuff.
Yeah, and then pretty much run all the plumbing for the vacuum lines and stuff, because everything else is connected. All the coolant is connected. So, so it's looking good. It's looking very good. So there it is. Most of the piping is all done. All that's left is blow-off valve. It's really not that hard to install this piping.
Look at that. Just
gotta adjust it a little bit and loosen and tighten these hose clamps. And it's looking really good.
Fuck yeah.
Yep. Yeah. There we go. So now all we need to do is put all the plumbing, and then fuel injectors, fuel pump, and then ECU, and we should, hopefully this tuner will send him a base map and we can get this started. All right. So we got the blow-off valve installed now. Looking good. We don't have the vacuums yet, all finished, but we ran into our very first concern. So we installed the aftermarket 1050 injectors, and I'm trying to get it. So you can see the packing's on the outside. That's as far in as I can get them. Now, I don't know if that's correct or if we have to get like a different modified fuel injector, but we will see when we install the fuel pump and we just turn the car to accessory and it sprays fuel. So if it doesn't leak fuel, we're good. If it does, then we're gonna have to wait until we get the right fuel injector. But so far so good. Coloma right now is working on the worst part at the moment, which is trying to get, I can't get in there. He's trying to get the fuel pump out, and so we're doing it with the soft top on, which is gonna be a pain. But once he gets it out, we'll be able to install the new fuel pump, and then we're getting very close to being done. Still haven't heard back from his tuner yet, so we don't know if we'll be able to start it today. But at least we'll get it all buttoned up and all finished today. All right, so we got the fuel pump assembly all done. We have the new fuel pump in there. I should have cut these wires shorter, but it's not, I don't think it'll hurt anybody. So yeah, we're about to get ready to put it back in. Coloma got the ECU in, and then this is our boy Tukur. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Yeah, he's over here learning some things. He says he's gonna get a Lamborghini, right? Or you don't like Lamborghinis or something?
Fuck them, bro.
What car do you like?
fucking Crown Vics for all day.
Oh, that's right. He's a Crown Vic guy. Yeah, so this was a bitch. Thankfully, Coloma took off all the panels in here. And so I'm going to put this back in and hopefully wish me luck because this might take a minute. So I finally got it in. It's buttoned up. I haven't finished putting on the top yet because we're going to test to see if the fuel pump is going to actuate. Hoping it does. And also, we're going to see if the fuel injectors are going to squirt out fuel. So, Coloma, if you could do the honors.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I didn't hear anything. So we were worried. I mean, I'm still kind of worried, but we think the reason why the fuel pump didn't actuate is because we just installed the AEM ECU. So now we're putting in the OEM ECU, hoping that this time it'll actuate. So stay tuned. Moment of truth. And we still don't hear it. That is not good. Now, I'm not sure.
It does have fuel though.
So yeah, that's how that's looking right there. It's looking nice. We got my Z over here, supercharged, looking good. So bad news, guys. We will not get this started today, but we officially finished installing the supercharger kit. Right now, he is trying to run his AFR gauge wideband so that we can connect it to his ECU, because that's actually the reason why we can't get a bass tune right now. So, but to wrap it all up, you know, we got all of the vacuum lines. We have the vacuum line connected to that purge valve. We have the vacuum line connected to the blow-off valve. We have pretty much all the plumbing done. The intercooler and the piping's all done as well. It was looking really, really good. Now, another issue that I showed you guys in the video earlier is the fuel pump. Now, pretty sure it's supposed to actuate, but maybe it's because of the new ECU, it's not actuating. So, unfortunately, we won't find out until we get a base map. And if anything, we're gonna probably take it out and probably either redo the wires. We look at the forums and there were other people that ran into the same issue with the same ECU. So hopefully that's the issue, but we won't find out. But we will find out tomorrow, I think. I think tomorrow we should be able to get the tune. And so I will either make a video for that. Well, I'll definitely make a video for when it starts running. I will start filming and see where that goes. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video there. Unfortunately, it didn't go as planned, but you know, that's how these things go. When you're installing things, they're not gonna go as planned as always. But we met our goal. We fully installed the supercharger. It's all installed, ready to go. We just needed the base map tune. So we're pretty much gonna keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen this week. Tomorrow we plan on maybe getting the tune, and then I'll be filming that for sure. Not sure when that video will go up, but it'll go up sometime this week. And then when it's, I think he's gonna get it tuned as well once he gets the base map, like right away. He's doing like he's just doing like a e-tune kind of thing, which is cool. So we don't gotta go anywhere. We just gotta get a hold of the tuner, and he has to have time. We have to have time. And then, but yeah, other than that, it was a successful weekend. It's done, it's installed. It's just a matter of when will we get it running. So thanks to everyone who's been following this build, and you guys will for sure see a lot more of this car. If you guys have any questions or anything, if you're installing this, you know, you can leave it in the comments below and we will answer them as best as we can. Thanks for watching, and y'all take care. Peace.